new vocabulary word that is very essential to the process of coding. It's called an algorithm. Say it with me, algorithm. An algorithm is a list of commands in sequential order, so in that sequence that you can use to help a computer to finish a task. So our algorithm that we're going to discuss today is how you got ready for school this morning. So that would be an algorithm because you have a list of tasks, a list of commands that are all in sequential order. So let's see, everybody does a little bit different, but here's how I got ready for school this morning. My first command was to get out of bed. My second command was to make the bed. Then I commanded myself to shower, very important. My fourth command was to put on clothes. My fifth command was to eat breakfast. My sixth command was to brush those teeth. My seventh command was to comb my hair. My eighth command was to pack my lunch. My ninth command was to pack my backpack, of course. And my 10th command was to walk to the bus stop to get ready for school and to wait for that school bus. So you can see that this list of commands all put together into sequential order is what makes my algorithm. Let's do another algorithm. Let's see if we can put this algorithm into the correct sequential order. So here I have a list of steps in order to make a paper airplane. Now watch out because I'm trying to trick you. There are a few of these commands that shouldn't actually be part of our algorithm. So here are my options, and we have to figure out how to take the commands, put them into our sequential order so that we can have our algorithm. My options are cut the center out of the paper, crease paper down the center, crumple up the paper into a ball, fold the top corners to the center, rip a corner out of the paper, fold the corner sides to the center, toss the finished plane, fold the paper in half, again, and pull the sides down. So take a minute to think about what your algorithm would look like if you were to reorder these commands into our sequential order. Now that you've had some time to think about it, here is our algorithm for how to make a paper airplane. Our correct algorithm, step 1, crease the paper down the center. Step 2, fold the top corners to the center. Step 3, fold the corner sides to the center. Step 4, fold the paper in half again. Step 5, pull the sides down. And step 6, toss your finished plane. Well, that's all good and well. We made our algorithm, but now we have to test it to see if it actually works. An important algorithm is always tested to make sure that we really have all of those commands into our sequential order. Let's try it out. Our first step was to crease the paper down the center. Our second step, fold the top corners to the center. Our third step was to fold the corner sides to the center. Corner side. Our fourth step is to fold the paper in half again. Then we need to pull our sides down. And our sixth command was to toss our finished plane. There you have it. Our algorithm worked. We correctly made a paper airplane by taking all of those individual commands, putting them into sequential order, and making an algorithm.